Here we go.
Late as always.
Late to the first race.
Whatever.
Greenwood Furnace, oh, not 10K. What is it?
Wow.
Half marathon.
Kind of downgrading my race already.
No, we're not downgrading.
First half marathon.
We're just confused. We're not the last people. There's 2 people behind us. They're not even starting yet. We're good.
No, and the RD's not even up there. It's like you don't listen.
Who's the RD?
I don't know. Some guy with a mustache.
Oh, mustache guy.
Or a beard, not mustache. Same difference.
Beard guy. He's going to run the race backwards. I don't know. Does the 10K start later? He's just going for a little run?
Oh, everyone's starting now.
Oh, are they? Okay then. Here we go. Here we go! Woo!
Dad, it really hurts.
What?
My foot.
What's wrong with your foot?
My ankle. I told you yesterday, it just...
1 mile in. Just running downhill. So far so good?
Yeah.
1 mile. 12 to go. Checking in a bit. Hello. Down a man.
Oh.
She can't run. She's gonna walk in the 10K. Sorry. How you feeling?
So tired.
2 miles in. Okay, sweating. Lots of water. Gonna need it now. Got your big climb starting.
Starting?
Well, you started a little bit ago. Oop. Hop up and away. Good job. It's alright. Mile 3 check-in with Keegan. Still climbing. Climbing for a mile plus.
To the summit.
To the summit.
Whatever they call it.
To the first peak. How you feeling?
I'm tired.
Oh, still tired.
Yeah.
Okay. Didn't get your second win yet.
What?
Didn't get your second win yet.
Second win?
Yeah. Like
Yeah,
your
first one?
bursts of energy, you know?
I never did that.
No. No, she didn't have her first win yet either. So, we're good. Once we get to the top, you can start running then. It'd be like starting the whole race all over. At the very beginning.
Didn't get my what's it called? C4 yet either.
Well, it's a little early yet.
Yeah. Second time?
Get that boost in a little bit. Your go juice. Go, go, go. Good?
Good.
Good.
Hurting a little. Hips hurting.
Yeah?
Finger's hurting. I'm behind myself to the picture.
Ah. We're at the top, doing a little running down, a little scrambling on the rocks. Yeah, like at Lower Highlands. Yeah. No? Twin Lakes? No. There's a rock section in Twin Lakes?
No. Not really.
Yeah.
There's that big downhill.
Yeah.
Not really.
Right. Whoop. Nice job moving towards the aid station. Getting there pretty soon. What do you want there, Keegan?
Thank
you.
Yep.
You need anything?
I don't think so. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
10K's going that way. I'm going back down the mountain.
Okay.
Another trail.
Well,
Wow, this
Yep.
is great.
There we go. Back down we go. Huh?
you didn't get any water.
I'll be alright.
Have you got any?
A little bit. 4 mile check-in. How you feel? See, feeling better now. See, I like that. That's good to hear. Going downhill, so that's nice. Got some Gatorade. Having fun. Enjoying the weather. Woo! Getting hit by tree branches.
Some chatterbox.
Missing, yep. Missing the talkative one.
She's not. Oh, do you want the singer? I can bust out some tunes.
She should be back. She'll catch up. 5 miles in, down the big downhill.
Left.
8 left, how you feel?
Feel pretty good.
Excellent, excellent. That's what we like to hear. Have some nice runnable here. You have to what?
I have to pee.
Oh man, you got a while. There might be one at the aid station. We'll see. So far so good. Nice job. There's your 5.
I think you heard. I told that they should like half what they have in the cups.
Yeah, that was a lot in there, huh?
Yeah. I was like, one more sip. Nope.
They filled it up.
Oh, ow, that hurt.
Crossing here. Don't fall. Very nice, very nice. Looking good. Going that way. Six in, coming up to the aid station.
Almost halfway done.
Almost halfway. Still feeling good?
Yeah.
Woo, they're cheering for you.
There we go. Now
There it is, 6, excellent. Oh man, they do it good here.
I like manning the aid station. It's really fun.
Yeah, it is. Thank you, yeah. Here, you have water?
Water here, yeah. You want a free fill here?
I just need some for this cup. I got it, thank you.
Gatorade over there, too. You got that.
How much you want here, like half? You want more?
That's good.
Awesome. Way to go, guys.
Thank you.
You're done. Get it. You can hand it to Fitz wants it. Don't put that on the ground. That does not belong to us.
Oh, that's my gum. I can't open
Oh,
that
that's
up.
alright. It's gone.
Were there still 2 people up there? Like making
Yeah, they're making sure people, yep.
Good.
Yep.
Good thing you weren't here earlier before they were there.
People getting lost.
People.
Oh, they went a little that way.
Long way.
That stinks.
Yeah.
We heard you from way back there, so.
Alright, good. We'll try to be loud.
What about eating one? There's
I don't know.
Another one, yeah.
You want to walk a little bit and see if she catches up? I'll take some of these too. Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Thanks for being out here. Thank you. Thank you.
See you at the end.
Okay. Here we go. 7 miles in. One more closer. How we feeling?
you get a little tired.
A little tired.
Still gotta pee really bad.
Yeah. That's not gonna get away.
Nope. Across the finish line. And go
Straight to the bathroom.
Push everyone out of the way. Be like, move.
Move. I got the pee. Well, we're on the road. It looks like we're going to be going in here in a minute. There's a truck up here directing the way.
Didn't know it was gonna be a whole mile on here.
Yeah, a little longer, but it's all right. At least it's like a gravelly road, not a dirt or not a paved road.
Yeah. A lot better than that.
I like the sand on the ground to tell you which way to go.
Yeah.
It's convenient.
It's not raining though.
That's good. Just a little sprinkle.
Yeah.
Needed to rain, I guess. 3 weeks in a row. Good morning. Pretty good. All right. Thank you.
Watch those rocks and left turn at that cone.
Left turn at the cone. Thank you.
I didn't really have a dinosaur until that aid station.
Right.
I can't rely on it.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll try.
Left turn.
Left turn at the cone. There's the cone. Here's the left. Lots of rocks. 8 miles in. Looks like coming up to the very steep section of the second climb. Keegan's very excited.
Oh yeah.
Still feeling good?
Yeah.
That's good. It's your big major climb and then get to the top. All down the hill from there. Oh yeah, that's the steep one.
Oh yeah. I have to go on my hands and knees.
Don't fall backwards.
Got all my weight in the front.
That's it. Keep your front down. Just about 9 miles in. Still climbing. Almost a 2-mile climb up. That was a tough one. I think we're about to the top though. Looks like it's starting to even out a little bit. How's the snack?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Feeling on the scale?
Probably like an 8 on tiredness.
Oh yeah, yeah. A 12 on having to pee.
No, I don't be that bad anymore.
Oh, see, it went away. How about that?
Yeah. My legs don't hurt that bad either.
That's good. We did good climbing. We didn't stop. So now we just got to finish this thing. Should be all about downhill from here. So we got about maybe 3.5 miles or so.
Yeah.
3.5 to 4. Here we go. Let's finish. Mile 10 check-in. Less than a 5K to go. How's it feel? Pretty good. Look at you. Running on a good downhill. Moving well for 10 miles in.
Got my fruit smoothie.
Fruit smoothie hit the spot. Gave you some energy.
Yeah.
What are you gonna say? You gonna pull the Harper line?
This is the farthest I've ever gone.
You're doing great. Keep up the good work. Mile 11 check-in. How we doing?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Farthest I've ever gone. A little bit tired.
A little tired. Well, you only got about 2 left or less. So, makes sense. Looking great.
I should get around 3:40. We're at 3:15 now.
Yep. That's about right.
Totally thought I was gonna get like 4 hours.
You're doing
This is not good.
No, you're doing great. Good job. Not quite at 12 yet, but we're just told less than a mile to the finish, right?
Yeah.
So how you feel for the last check-in before the finish?
I think it's going pretty good.
Pretty good. That's amazing. All that training paid off, huh?
Totally.
Totally.
Wish I did a bit more incline though.
Yeah, would have helped, but doing great. Look at all that. A lot of cutting here. And we just hit 12, so probably half mile or so to go. Going great. Coming down the straightaway. The hood's open, the hatch is open. Oh, there she is. She can't close it. I got it. Just push it down.
She told me not to do that.
It's fine. We'll get it later. Woo! Don't hit us. Thank you. 3:35, Keegan. Way to finish it. Good job.